Welcome to the Don Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make UKHWAJU sauce. UKHWAJU, which stands for tamarind. So we are going to show you how to make tamarind sauce. This is extremely tangy and it goes so well with marrow bhajiya. And in order to see marrow bhajiya recipe, you can check the link in the description, and we will also have some iCard at the top and at the end of the video for you to check that recipe out. But let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, so this is the packet that we are going to use. This is wet tamarind, and once you take it out, you'll see this. This is the wet tamarind, and you just need this much of a piece to use for this recipe. And then what we are going to do is soak it into hot water. Soak it into hot water for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes, it will melt. The good thing is that because this is wet tamarind, not dried tamarind, it only takes 10 minutes. If it was dried tamarind, it would take a far substantial amount of time. So now what we are going to do is strain this. So in order to strain this, just going to pour it in, like so. So let everything come out. Okay, so we've strained all of the tamarind into this now, and just heating it up. What I'm going to do over here is I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of jaggery. And if you don't have this available, you can use sugar, or if you have the preference of using sugar, you can use sugar. And next, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of chili powder, ½ teaspoon cumin powder, ¼ teaspoon ginger powder. Finally, salt to taste. Now, if you want to add more or less chili, that's entirely up to you. I'm more of a chili person, so I could have added more, but okay, let's give this a good mix. The goal over here is to dissolve the sugar and also to thicken up the sauce as much as possible. Okay, so it's simmered now. It was being heated up for the past 10 minutes, so it's thickened up slightly, which is great. And you can actually heat this up to the point where you are content, and you can bring it to your desired consistency as well. For me, I think this is pretty much okay. So with that, we have our tamarind sauce. So just let it cool down and then it will be ready to serve. Okay, you saw how to make this UKHWAJU sauce, this tamarind sauce. It is so delicious. I had some yesterday, and then I made a fresh one today for the video. It's superb. It goes so well. It's got a different type of a taste. It's tangy, but it's also got this slight bit of sweetness to it as well. Very delicious. And it's also spicy because of the chilies that we've added into it. So what a blend, what a combination. It's absolutely elite, lethal level of combination that you can ever expect to have from a sauce. So we're going to link down some of the recipes that go so well with this recipe that we've shown you here today of the UKHWAJU sauce. And these recipes include marrow bhajiya, viazi karai, Swahili kachori, also known as batata wara, or any types of bhajiyas or pakoras. So all of the links of these various different recipes will be placed very clearly in the description below. So do check those out after making this recipe, because this is a dip I'm sure there's many of you who may not have tried it out, or some of you may have, but were curious to find out maybe a new way of making it, or maybe you've forgotten. So do try this out because it's so delicious. It's just different from various different types of sauces that you typically have. And do comment below if you do try this out. And today's question of the day is, what is your favorite dessert? Let me know. And with that said, do like this video, do comment below whether you're going to try this recipe out, or the answer to the question of the day, which is what is your favorite dessert. Also subscribe to this channel. Click on the red subscribe button if you haven't already, which is beneath this video. And once you've subscribed to this channel, hit the bell icon. Very important. If you hit the bell icon, you'll be informed of our daily releases. We have over 200 videos on our channel, so go ahead and binge watch those. And with that said, catch you in the next one.